Hey kids! Today, we're going on a magic trip to learn about the 4 seasons of the year. Do you know how many seasons there are in a year? Yes, that's right. 4 seasons. Each season has its own special things. Are you ready? Then let's go. Here is spring. In the spring, when the weather starts to get a little warmer, the trees and flowers wake up again and bloom. In this season, the birds start singing again. Do you know what fruits we have in spring? That's right, strawberries, green almonds, green gauge plums. Yummy. Now we've reached summer. Summer is the hottest season of the year, and the days are much longer. Summer is the time for playing in the water, eating ice cream, and going on trips. Summer has lots of yummy fruits like watermelon, cherries, grapes. Do you like going to the beach or the swimming pool in the summer? The 3rd season of the year is autumn. In autumn, the leaves turn yellow and then fall off the trees. In this season, the weather gets a bit colder and you need to wear a scarf and a jacket to school. Do you know which fruits are autumn fruits? That's right. Pomegranate, pears, persimmon. The last season of the year is winter. Winter is the coldest season, and it snows in many places. In winter, we can build snowmen and go sledding, but we have to wear warm clothes. What are the winter fruits? That's right. Oranges, tangerines, quince. Okay, kids, now we know that there are 4 seasons in a year. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now let's play a little game. I'm going to show you a picture, and you have to tell me which season it is for. That's right, spring. That's right, summer. Which season is this one? That's right, autumn. And which season is the last picture for? Correct, winter. Fantastic, you are so smart. These were the seasons of the year. I hope you enjoyed our trip.